Number the stars.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivana Lai and I am from 4th grade. Today, me and my family members will talk about the book, Number the Stars by Lois Lowry. It is 1943. During World War II, Anne-Marie Johansen lives in Copenhagen with the constant presence of Nazi soldiers in their country. The Johansens, a family of 4, take in Anne-Marie's best friend Ellen Rosen, who is a Jew. All Jews live in fear as German soldiers are hunting them. Can Ellen's family escape from the Nazis' hands? This story is engaging and inspiring. What have you learned from this story?
I have learned. I learned that we should always be brave when facing difficulties. Although Anne-Marie is young, she overcomes all obstacles and does her best to protect her best friend Ellen. That was heroic of her. I hope to become like Anne-Marie and be braver whenever I face obstacles.
Not only that, it also teaches us the importance of friendship. Marie and Alan are as thick as thieves and would do anything for each other. Having friendship like that is really precious. Besides, it also teaches us the importance of faith. We should never lose faith no matter what situation we are in. Right?
We all believe that this story is strongly related to the theme, Read to Shine. As mentioned just now, the themes of the story are bravery, faith, and love. These are all the properties that we should learn from in real life.
This comes to the end of our sharing. We hope everyone can have faith and bravery in real life and cherish your loved ones.
We hope everyone will read the story of World War II in the eyes of a little girl. The story's title is named Number the Stars, and it's actually related to the Bible. The title is taken from Psalm chapter 147, verse 4. Do you want to know why it's related to this Bible verse? Read it and find out yourself.